Hello YouTube, this is Skittle Rivers and I'm here today to do another hair tutorial. I already started putting my I'm trying to fix it so it'll sit. Okay, I already started putting my hair up in those ponies, and I'm using an edge controller today to lay them. My hair is kind of soft. I didn't like that gel. And the edge controller that I'm using is argan oil, and it's pretty good, and it's kind of thick, and so that's what I'm going to use today. And today I'm doing three puffs instead of two. Sorry, I had dropped the phone. So sorry about that. I dropped my phone. That's a no-no. Okay, there we go. I'm doing 2 puffs instead of 3. I mean 3 puffs instead of 2. And I added some, last night I added some braids on the side, so that way, I'm going to redo this. I like doing these. Okay, I tried to sleep in, I can't sleep in this. I can't sleep in these little bobby pins because, like I said, I don't like hair pins, but for certain styles you have to have them. And I'm putting it on. I'm also putting some argan oil hair moisturizer on my hair also, and I got that from the Dollar Tree. So, and it's been working pretty good. Like, my hair had got so hard and stuff because I had used that gel. I put that oil on it and made it soft. I got a busy work day ahead of me. I gotta do some micro braids today. And then I got to do some box braids today. I got 2 clients today. So I'm trying to get ready so I can get my day started. I got on pajamas, if y'all thinking, well, she had them pants on. I slipped these pajamas on this morning. Trying to see, do I need to retwist? I'm going to retwist my ball. And I got to add a rubber band because I popped that one. I couldn't get that sucker off my head last night. But anyway, I'm gonna add one. No harm. See? All you gotta do is replace it. Take it and you wrap it around. I know you guys can't see me wrapping them, but you know, you wrap it. Then you take this hair here. It looks kind of messy, but it's not. It's soft hair actually. And you're just gonna retwist it. That's some soft hair to be 99 cents. I got a lot of compliments on the bun set yesterday. Well, Fox Hawk, however you call it. I can't pronounce it right, but you guys know the Fox Hawk bun. So I got a lot of likes and stuff on them. So I said, hey, you know, why not? It's a little easy style. You can add to it what you want to add to it, however many. I said, shoot, I'm going to keep going and see how many can I really get. You know? And then, I'm going to try to show you guys as I go. I'm going to turn around and show you how I'm doing this. Grab a couple of pins. Okay. All I'm doing is twisting. I'm going to go up like this. Okay, I'm going to stop it there because I'm going to take this and connect it to here. And I'm going to just tuck that under and I'm going to come around it like this and go over it. And I'm going to pin it down like that. I'm guessing you guys can see which way I'm going. Then I'm going to take another one. I hope you guys can see my method of how I'm going with this. I should have already prepped this hair, but I'm a little pressed for time, so I broke the rubber band, so I'm just going through the ad where I broke them at. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Okay. Okay. I'm going to repeat the same twist. I love doing these. I really do. Okay. So then I'm gonna turn around Let me show you guys. Just a second. Okay, this is how I'm going to go with this. I'm going to take it and pin it like so. And I'm coming around like that. Like this. So you guys get the picture. And with this, I'm going to take it and go like that instead of I'm going to do it like that. Oh, I broke all three of these. I'm just concentrating, y'all. That's why I'm quiet. I mean, it ain't hard or nothing. I'm just kind of quiet right now. And take this one, wrap it around like so. This is nice fluffy hair for to be 99 cents. I'm loving this already, y'all. And then we're going to take this one and go like this with it. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to remove that one. I'm going to make that one come around. Okay. I wish I had another bun to go on around it. Okay, something. Okay. I'm trying to see, y'all. I'm always creating something. Yeah, I rock it like, nope, I'm not liking it. Let me see. Got to get it the way I like it, you guys. Got to. Okay. I got to go another method with this one. Then I can get it the way I want it. Yeah, there we go. Trying to make it do this right here. Okay. There we go, y'all. I had it up too high. I was wondering what was wrong. Okay. Now this one can fall in place right because I got that one checked out though. Y'all get how I'm going with this. Boom. Like that. Y'all get what I'm trying to do. If you don't, you'll see in a minute. And I like because you can style these in all types of forms and fashion and get the look you want. That's one thing I really like about this style. Yeah. I'm loving it, y'all. I create a different look with it each day. And I'm just experimenting with it. See? It's just another little cool, because these hairstyles are cool. Keep your head cool, nothing, you know, to make your hair hot or nothing like that. Nice, cool hairstyle. I'm trying to dust these pins because I don't like bobby pins and this camera's hurting. And the more buns you do, the more different effects you can do and have. So I'm going to take and lick my edges. I didn't have time to get my toothbrush out. So I'm just going ahead on because I'm pressing for my time here. And there you have it. A nice little bun set. And I'll turn around so you guys can see my back. And there you have it. A nice little set. So this is Skittle Rivers. And you guys have a blessed day.